In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Show Home button on Brave browser. The Home button is a small house-shaped icon that sits next to your address bar and gives you a quick way to jump back to a starting page. If you like having a single click that takes you to a familiar place, like your new tab page or a bookmarked start page, turning this on can save time and keep your browsing flow simple. Start by opening your Brave browser. Make sure you're on a regular desktop window so you can easily see the controls. In the top right corner of Brave, look for the main menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click that to open the menu. If you don't see it, try maximizing the browser window or widening it a bit. When the window is very narrow, some buttons can be hidden. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This opens Brave's settings page in a new tab. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see a list of categories. Find and select Appearance. Appearance is where Brave keeps options that control how the browser looks and which interface buttons are visible. In the Appearance section, look for the option labeled Show Home button. You'll see a small toggle switch next to it. Click the toggle to turn it on. When the switch is on, the Home button appears instantly to the left of your address bar. It should look like a little house. If your toolbar is crowded or your window is still very narrow, you may need to widen the window to spot it. Once enabled, the button is always just one click away, making it easy to start fresh without opening extra menus. That's all there is to it. You opened Brave, went to the menu in the top right corner, opened Settings, selected Appearance, and turned on Show Home button. The change takes effect right away, and you can continue browsing as usual. If for any reason you don't see the new icon immediately, closing and reopening the window can help. But most of the time, it appears the moment you flip the switch. Thanks for watching. With the Home button visible, getting back to your starting point is now quick and effortless. If you ever want to hide it again, just return to the same Appearance section and toggle it off. Happy browsing!